अच्छा सुन, सर्फ एक्सेल और टाइड थ्रो अवे पे वीडियो सोच रहा हूँ, कैसी रहेगी?
कंट्रोल कंट्रोल उदय।
ओ नहीं हुंदा यार, कंट्रोल यार, साथ में अच्छे अल्टरनेटिव्स और डीआईवाई भी तो बताऊंगा। In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 household products that you should throw away immediately. Even though these products are always in front of us, they remain unnoticed, but during the research of this video, I was shocked to know that they pose some serious health hazards. It's high time we talk about them, as I can assure that most of you would be using at least 3 out of these 5 products almost daily. We will discuss why they are so damaging and how you can switch to healthier and economical alternatives that too are easily available. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Starting with number 5 on the list is a detergent. If you often suffer from skin problems, you should be extremely cautious of what detergent you are using to wash your clothes, as most commercial ones have phosphates, dyes and bleaches that are severely skin irritating. The detergent industry is highly unregulated, which is why brands can get away with whatever they wish to use to clean the dirtiest of the stains, and they don't even need to list the ingredients on the pack. The problem is that the residue of such harsh chemicals is almost never washed off. Their chemical fragrance is so strong that you can tell which surf was used to wash the cloth. Imagine that chemical lingering on the clothes all day. Being directly in contact with our skin, they can inflame it. In fact, reports suggest that the rising cases of eczema, psoriasis and certain forms of dermatitis in children could be due to these toxic detergents. Traditionally, we Indians would use soap nuts to wash clothes. They actually work even today. For 1 bucket of water, simply soak about 10 soap nuts overnight and then before washing, put them in a pouch or a sock. For hand wash, scrub it directly on the clothes, and for machine wash, just put the sock along with the clothes. Acting as a detergent, soap nuts will release the saponins and will clean off the clothes effectively. If you are looking for a safer options in the Indian market, BSD Organics Bioenzyme Liquid, Kandavari Soap Nut and Citrus Powder, Rustic Arts Bio Laundry Powder and Zimmer Ofra Men Gentle Laundry Wash Liquid are 4 good options. Using them as directed, you can throw away the toxic ones and easily switch to mild and eco-friendly options. Number 4 on the list is fruit and vegetable wash. With the rampant use of pesticides on fruits and vegetables these days, a washer seems like a need of an hour. However, it's shocking to know that most commercial fruit and vegetable washers use harmful alcohols, sulfates, fragrances, and even harsh preservatives like benzalkonium chloride. Fruits and vegetables can absorb the chemicals through the surface, and if there are cuts, the penetration becomes easier. Well, it is like to remove a toxin, you are ingesting another toxin. Many other brands only falsely give an impression of being natural. Don't waste your money on them. Naturize and Mamaearth are 2 brands that make genuine fruit and vegetable washes in the Indian market. Soap nuts, baking soda and herb based, these will clean off the pesticides without any chemical residue. Even price wise, they are at par with the commercial ones. However, an easy but effective way to wash off the pesticides is to soak the fruits and vegetables in baking soda solution for about 30 minutes and then wash them off with running tap water. Works like a charm every time. Number 3 on the list is a surface cleaner. To wipe off stains from a mirror, clean the refrigerator and other surfaces, one product that is extensively used is Colin. And for cooker tops, kitchen slabs, sinks and tiles, Mr Muscle is the popular choice. However, their packs mention nothing about ingredients, but when you search on the internet, you know that these are harsh alcohol-based synthetic products. A famous study by NASA declared that the air indoors is more polluted than outdoors, and this is true because of products like these. Using these products on the surfaces produce volatile organic compounds that mix in the air indoors, which we then inhale. Over a period of time, these VOC fumes can cause decreased breathing capacity, allergic skin reactions, and problems like migraine. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that these artificially colored products don't deserve to be anywhere near your family, as you can make effective surface cleaners at home with just 2 to 3 ingredients at a dirt cheap price. As a replacement for glass cleaner, take 30 ml vinegar and dilute it with about 270 ml of water. And for the kitchen cleaner, mix 300 grams of baking soda in 200 ml of vinegar. Store them in spray bottles and you will be amazed to see how well they work, and minus the harsh volatile fumes. In market, BSD Organics Bioenzymes Multipurpose Cleaner priced at Rs 120 for 500 ml and Rustic Arts Multipurpose Cleaner priced at 250 ml for Rs 250 are two promising options. So I guess there is no reason why you should not switch to healthier options. Number 2 on the list is a toilet cleaner. For most Indians, a toilet cleaner means Harpic. Well, it cleans the toilet and the sink in one go, kills 99.9% germs. So what's wrong with it? Well, turn the bottle around and you will find that not even one ingredient can be termed safe. Hydrochloric acid, HEO, CTAC, BHT and harsh cosmetic colors. But is that a problem? After all, we are using it just to clean the toilets. We aren't applying it on our skin. Well, our body eats not just from skin and mouth but also through the nose in the form of fumes. And the toxic fumes of the commercial toilet cleaners can be extremely hazardous. That is why Harpic comes with a warning: do not breathe its vapors. Basically, this is how these brands expect us to use them to clean the toilet. It's that harmful. Using such toilet cleaners on a regular basis can damage the lungs, eyes, and other internal body organs. Moreover, these chemicals seep into our water system and soil system, which not only kill the aquatic life, but they do come back to us in residual form through agricultural produce. So what option do we have? Toilet cleaners by Bleaches, The Better Home, and Herbal Strategy are three better options available in the Indian market. Although some ingredients have not been mentioned clearly due to the lenient guidelines, but still they are much better than those hydrochloric acid based toxic ones. To get a clear picture, I tried contacting these brands. Bleaches confirmed they use cocoa glucoside as a surfactant, which is safe, and they also assured it is 100% sulfate free and synthetic fragrance free. The Better Home could not give any satisfactory answers, while Herbal Strategy was not reachable. During the research, I rejected many so-called natural brands. So stay away. Price wise, these are a bit pricier than the commercial ones, but still they are worth a switch. However, you can make a simple and effective toilet cleaner at home at less than the price of Harpic. Simply buy baking soda and citric acid from your nearest Kirana store and mix it in equal proportion and try washing your toilet with it. You will be amazed to see how well it works. Now before I reveal my top pick, here is a dishonorable mention: the floor cleaners. Well, it's another VOC generating product which we have already covered in this video. Finally, moving on to the number 1 on the list, which is an air freshener. Bathroom is one place that deserves deodorization. However, the commercial air fresheners don't even deodorize. They just try to mask up the bad smell with an artificial fragrance. Why would you want to inhale the chemical fumes of artificial fragrance first thing in the morning? Do you foresee the long-term side effects it might have on your health? And even the brands can't be held accountable for their undisclosed patented fragrances. So throw such air fresheners out and switch to Bhimseni camphor or charcoal, as these are two time-tested natural ways to keep bathrooms naturally deodorized. Bhimseni camphor is the purest form of camphor, which is not only an effective deodorizer, but due to its antimicrobial properties, keeps the place germ-free, leaving behind a soothing fragrance. Charcoal doesn't have a fragrance of its own, but sucks up any foul smell. These can be easily bought offline or online. They are price competitive too. You can keep a few pieces of any of them in a dish or in a pouch and make your washroom a toxin-free zone. So friends, these were those 5 products that I firmly believe you should throw out of your house immediately. I have linked the healthier alternatives in the description box of the video. I want to confirm that I am not with or against any brand. Whatever I have spoken in this video is my honest opinion. If you think that this video added any value, then please do hit the like button. Talking about safe products, check out Mamaearth's Deeply Nourishing Body Wash for Babies. Dermatologically tested and hypoallergenic, this body wash is free from sulfates, parabens, EDTAs, artificial fragrances, and cosmetic colors. That's why its mild ingredients won't irritate the eyes of your baby as most other commercial products would. Even though it's a baby product, but it can be used by both men and women of all skin types. Mamaearth has not only sourced all its ingredients locally, but also this product is made in India. To buy Mamaearth's certified toxin-free Deeply Nourishing Body Wash for Babies, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 21% off on your order. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.